Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. I am Sumit and in today's video I'll be unboxing the Logitech G102 second gen gaming mouse. So I ordered it from Amazon and this was the packaging that it arrived in. So just give me a minute, I'll just remove the outer packaging and show you its actual box. Now with the outer packaging removed, this is the actual box, G102 written there. The mouse looks pretty good in this picture. The model name written here as well. And on the back side of the box there are some features highlighted, like it can go up to 8000 dpi, there are 16.8 million customizable RGB colors, and there are 6 programmable buttons on the mouse. And on the side of the box there are some instructions written about what's in the box and the minimum requirements needed to run this mouse properly. And this was everything on the box. Now let's open it and have a look at its contents. Okay, so now that I have removed all the contents from the box, this right here is the warranty information. You can read it if you want. I'll just put it aside for now. And after that there's a sticker, a Logitech sticker, which you can put on your case or wherever you like with the help of this adhesive on this side. And after that we see a black manual kind of a thing with a Logitech logo on it. So there's some message written by Logitech, and on the right side it's written keep playing. Sure, we'll do that, Logitech. And this is the mouse itself. So the USB connector of the mouse has a Logitech logo on it as well. Now I'll just remove the mouse from its protective sleeve, and this is how the mouse actually looks. There are 2 buttons up top, and the build quality and finish of the product looks great. The wire is a bit thin but feels high quality as per the Logitech standards. There are 2 customizable buttons on the left and 1 button for the DPI adjustment and the mouse wheel. And this part right here is where the RGB lights up. You can set it up to any color using the Logitech software. And overall for this price range I think it's a pretty good mouse. It's basically a budget gaming mouse. So now I'll just hook it to my PC and show you the RGB lightings. Okay guys, so this is how the mouse looks when you connect it to your computer. The RGBs look very neat, and there's also RGB on the Logitech logo. So you can customize these using their software, which you can download from their website. So guys, I'll end this video right here. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.